Hi everyone, I'm Amanda, and on this episode I'm going to show you how to create a Google site in less than 10 minutes. To get started, you could see that I'm logged into my Google account. In my address bar, I'm just going to type in sites.google.com. This is where all of your sites will be stored. I'm going to click on the Create button to start a new site. The first thing is to choose a template. I'm going to use the blank template so we can customize it the way we'd like. If you don't like to start from scratch, you can choose any of the templates that are listed here or in the gallery. The next step is to name your site. So I'm going to name mine A. Burns Technology Page. Okay, and you'll see that my site location will automatically match the name of my site. The next step is to select a theme, and you could just choose one that you think looks nice. Once you get into your Google site, if you don't like the theme, you can always change it. Everything is totally customizable. In the More Options section, we are going to put a site description. So I'm just going to say that this is my YouTube tutorial site. And then I'm going to type in the code and then hit enter. And you'll see right up top here, it's creating my Google site. Once your Google site is created, it'll take you to your home page. It looks pretty blank right now because we chose the blank template, so we're going to go in and change everything about this. The first thing I'm going to do is pull this More drop down and click on the page settings. I'm going to remove Show Page Title and Show Links to Subpages. What this means is this word Home here is going to disappear. I'm going to put my own title on my pages. So you'll see that that has removed. Then to edit your pages, you're always going to click on this pencil icon. So I'm going to just center my text, pull this drop down to 24, and I'm going to keep the font colors that go with my theme. And we're just going to say, welcome to Amanda's page. Okay, let's hit the enter key, and if you come up to insert, you have the option to insert all of these items in this drop down. So we're going to start with an image. I'm going to choose an image that I already have on my computer. So I'm going to go to choose file, and then we'll search for my Wordle. It's going to give you a preview here. When I click on OK, it's going to insert it into my site. And you can see that it's showing up pretty large. So I'm just going to choose small, medium, or large to shrink this picture down. So let's go to medium. And I can also click on any one of these to center or right or left align it. So let's center it. And I'll hit the enter key again. And this time I'm going to go to insert video, and I'm going to select YouTube. What this is going to do is it's going to bring in a YouTube video directly into my home page. So I have my YouTube video up here. I'm just going to right click and copy the URL, go back into here and right click and paste, and include the title. I'm going to change the title to say Mrs. Burns YouTube video. When I click on save, it's going to put it into my site, and I'm just going to align center it so it matches the rest. It's automatically going to save for me. When I click on the save button, it takes me out of the editing mode, and I can get a better preview of what my page is going to look like. I'm going to click on the plus sign here on this little piece of paper, which is going to add a new page. And this time we're going to say all about Amanda. And you want to make sure that you put this page under home so it comes after your home page. And then just click on create. We're going to get another blank template page. So what I'm going to do this time is open up a Word document that has my bio, and I'm going to copy and paste it into this page. Next thing is I'm just going to select my text, and I'm going to make it a little larger, and let's center that as well. And let's highlight our title and make that 18, and let's make the font blue. Okay, so I'll click on Save, and I'll do the same thing as I did for my home page. I'll pull the More down, Page Settings, and remove these options, and click on Save. I'll go back to my home page, and you'll see I have a link all about Amanda, which will take me to my bio. I'm going to add another new page, and this one is going to be called Fun Computer Links. Again, you want to make sure that you put it under your home level, and then we're just going to click on Create. I'm going to center my text, click on the links below for some fun computer games. Enter. Let's change the size of this to 18. This time I'm going to go to Insert, Links, and I'm going to go to Web Addresses. I'm going to type in my first web address. And in the text to display, I'm just going to change it to be just BrainPop. And I'm going to open this link in a new page, new window. What this will do is it'll leave your website open, and it'll open your link in a new page so they can have both open at the same time. And click on OK. I'm going to hit Enter, Insert, link again, web address. This time we'll do starfall.com. Same thing up here. I'm just going to take out this information, open this link in a new window, and click on OK. Enter one more time, insert, link, web address, and we'll get rid of this information up top. Okay, I'm going to select these links and just make them a little larger. And I'm going to hit the Enter key twice. Insert, image, and this time we're going to do a web address. So I'm going to click on web address, and I have Google Images open up top here. So let's just type in computer, and we'll grab this picture here. So just click on that picture, right click, and copy image URL. Go back into your website and paste that image URL, and you'll see that the picture will load for us. And I'm just going to click on OK. Again, this photo comes in too large, so I'm going to change the size of it and center it. I'm going to click on Save to come out of the editing view and do the same thing as we did for our past two pages. Click on More, Page Settings, and remove these links. Let's click on Save. I'll go back to my home page. The last thing I want to show you is this share button here. If I hover over it, it shows that we are public on the web. So I'm just going to click on Share. And you'll see this link here is the link to your web page. So you can go ahead and copy this and send it to your coworkers or students in an email, or you can post it on your school's website. You can also share this link via Gmail, Google+, Facebook, or Twitter. You can also change the view rights. So right now it's public on the web. We can change this to anyone with this link, private, or if you were in a school district domain, you'd see that option here for anyone in that domain. I'm just going to hit cancel to keep it public on the web, and I'm going to hit the back button. I'm going to pull down this More button and preview page as a viewer. So this is what it would look like to the outside world. You can see that we have our title and the image that we brought in from our computer. We have the YouTube video embedded into our site. On the left, we have two links, all about Amanda, which is the bio that we copied and pasted from Word. And we have fun computer links, which are all of the links that we inserted along with the image that we grabbed from Google. So that's it for today's episode. We have successfully created our own Google site in under 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comment section underneath the video. Thank you so much.